Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Vantage to Binance. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Now go to Wallets and tap on Deposit, then select Crypto. Here, choose the same coin you want to withdraw from Vantage, for example USDT. After that, select the network such as ERC20, ERC20, or BEP20, and make sure you remember this network because you must use the same one later. Now, copy the deposit address shown on the screen and keep it saved. Next, open the Vantage client portal and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Funds section and tap on Withdraw. Here, select cryptocurrency as the withdrawal method so you can send crypto to an external wallet. Now, choose the same cryptocurrency again like USDT. Then, paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the wallet address field. After that, select the exact same network you choose on Binance. This part is very important because if the network does not match, your funds can be lost and cannot be recovered. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw and check the fees and minimum limits shown on the screen. After that, carefully review all the details including the coin name, wallet address, network and amount. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal. You will be asked to complete security verification such as email confirmation, SMS code, or two-factor authentication. Complete these checks and submit the request. Once done, you can track the withdrawal status in your Vantage account until the funds appear in your Binance wallet. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.